Diet and exercising for weight loss. Obesity is now being called an epidemic in the health community. It will soon be the leading cause of preventable death in the United States, even ahead of cigarette smoking. Obesity leads to type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease or stroke, and even an increased risk of cancer. With all of these health risks, as well as the general improvement in the quality of life that can occur, losing weight is one of the best things that you can do for yourself. No matter what we would like to believe, there simply isn't a magic solution to losing weight. The body will shed excess fat, when it needs more calories, to function through the demands you place on it, in a given day, than the number of calories that you feed it. It's that simple. So, to lose weight, you need to decrease the number of calories that you eat, as well as increase the amount that you burn. There is a wide range of options to choose from, when looking for a weight loss program. All of them often spend a lot of time explaining what to eat, in what amounts, and even at what times, or in what combinations. But few of them emphasize the importance of exercise, not just for losing weight, but for your general health and well-being. Exercise is vital when trying to lose weight for several reasons. First, as you start to eat less, your metabolism will slow down somewhat. Exercising helps to elevate your metabolism back to an efficient level. Second, as mentioned, the exercise burns more calories, so that you can lose weight faster, and stay motivated in your efforts. And third, exercise releases endorphins, chemicals that keep your mood elevated. Exercise doesn't have to mean spending hours at the gym, or straining through exhausting workouts. For you to stick with it in the long run, exercising should be something that you enjoy. Start by increasing your activity level in an overall way. Take the stairs when you can. Park further from the mall door, when you go shopping. Go for a walk in the park, or through a neighborhood you love, and bring a dog, or a friend along for company. Take dance, or martial arts lessons. Once you become more active in general, you'll find it easier, and more natural to move into regular exercise. Which you'll need to do eventually to get regular, noticeable health benefits. You need to raise your heart rate to a fat burning level, and keep it there for at least 20 minutes, 3 times or more a week. However, if you don't want to go to a gym, there are other options. Videos and DVDs are now available, in all kinds of exercise types. That way, you can change your routine whenever you want, so that you don't get bored with what you're doing. Try a range of aerobics, kickboxing, yoga, or pretty much any activity you want, right in the comfort of your own home. If you have physical limitations that would keep you off from exercising, you can still find a way to increase your activity level. Water aerobics is a wonderful option for those who have joint problems, or limited mobility, because it relieves the pressure on your body that your weight provides. But you still get the resistance, to challenge your muscles from the water. There are even classes, and videos available, that let you exercise in a seated position. Whatever kind of exercise you choose, it's important to stay motivated and keep it fun. Try gathering a group together, to make it a social event. Or get a pedometer, a device that tracks how far you walk, and see how many miles you can walk a week. Make a competition amongst your friends, or family members, and treat the winner with something special, but not food related. Make the experience of exercising something that you look forward to, and it will soon become a regular part of your healthier lifestyle. Before I say thank you, always remember:
your health is your utmost priority. Got that?